With a little yellow duck, what kind of fish can y'all catch? The answer is definitely more than you expected. After Carrera threw y'all, start dragging the fishing line. Let the little yellow duck swim on the water. Just a blink of an eye, there was a huge amount of nonsense on the water. The hooked fish straightens the line in an instant. Even the huge pole of Coral Lolland took the boat. Dragged together, and he wasn't happy yet. With a fierce struggle, he broke free from the hook. Although it is a pity. But Carrilla is in no hurry. Then he threw the second shot sharply. Just when he dragged the little yellow duck to recycle. Unexpectedly, a big fish followed. That got Carrilla pretty excited. This time I'm going to catch it anyway. And this big fish is simply can't resist the temptation of delicious food. Swallow the little yellow duck in one bite. Hooked fish find danger. Crazy struggle. Drag the fishing line and scurry forward. But this time, no matter how hard he struggles, can't escape because the hook has been firmly hooked to his mouth. Pretty soon, the big fish was dragged to the side of the boat by Carrilla. Then as soon as he copied the net, he fished the fish up. This is a pike. Visually, there are about 10 caddies. Do you say it is better to release the raw or put the ginger?